Today is Monday, February 27th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado exhaust system made out of 304 stainless. This is all of the individual segments that comprise the catback system, meaning from the catalytic converter, beginning here, which is the appropriate square mounting plate that seams to the catalytic converter that would normally be here at the correct obtuse angle, following the primary extension pipe, going to the muffler, connecting to the over the axle pipe, and then the final resonator. Okay, this is for the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. This is made out of 300 series stainless steel, meaning 304 specifically, so it's the highest quality stainless steel available, and therefore is the longest lasting and most impervious to any of the exotics that contaminate and corrode the piping. So I'll go ahead and take the units apart. This is 2 1/4 inch standard piping. Okay, and we'll go ahead and take a look down here and we'll see how the units are all ready to go for assembly. One slipping inside the other. Move over here now to the over the axle pipe and muffler. Okay, and moving forward to the primary pipe and the muffler, and you can see how easy it is, where the unit basically will ship in segmented pieces, and then you simply attach it, hang it, spot weld it if you want it to be fixably constrained, and you're good to go. So today is Monday, February 27th. This unit will be shipping out to my friend Larry in Connecticut. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. Over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, and through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, door locks, and other critical hard to source original vintage Cadillac items, including these complete exhaust systems, as well as the cast iron exhaust manifolds, of which I have over 300 in stock. Today is Monday, February 27th. Thank you very kindly.